Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll explain the process of getting an HSRP or high security registration plate for your vehicle. All you need to do is open bookmyhsrp.com. This will give you two options, a sticker plus registration plate or just the stickers. Then it will ask you about your vehicle information, which you have to enter, the vehicle number and other details. And it will start with the vehicle type itself. For example, you're registering for the car, then it will ask you for the make, the manufacturer of the car. So, for example, your car is manufactured by Chevrolet or Tata. You can select the brand as per your choices. So we'll move watch this video till end because we'll go step by step. Then this will ask you which state you are in, for example, Uttar Pradesh or Delhi, and then you have to put in information like petrol, diesel, or CNG, the fuel type, and then again, it will move you to the LUV, light utility vehicle. This is the type of the vehicle, basically LUV or MUV or MPV, depending upon your requirement. Then they'll take you to the form which you can use for registration. You just have to fill in all the details about your vehicle. For example, you have a car and it is a BS4 model. Then all this information that you see here, you will get it from your RC itself. The registration number, then there is engine number, chassis number, all the information you will have available on the RC itself. Then do not forget to upload the RC photocopy, not the photocopy or the original photo of the RC, because without that the form will not submit. And what you have to do is after that you have to move further towards the payment. This system itself will tell you how much you have to pay, and then they'll take you to the payment gateway. So we'll go till the end. Do not worry about that. So as soon as I end this video, you should know the all the processes of getting a registration plate. So just keep watching, then fill up this form. We were on the registration process. This form is an important part of the entire process, so make sure all the details are correct. Now you'll have to enter the owner information. These all details that I'm entering are dummy to make sure there is no real data available in the form. But yes, I will show you the registration process till the end. I'll hide that particular information where payment is made for security reasons, of course. And then we'll move forward and print the entire thing. So I just completed the form and entered the contact information of the owner and other details. Now I'll submit this form, and do not forget to upload, as I mentioned, the registration certificate, the real registration certificate of your vehicle. And once you complete, after that you will be moved to select the dealer. So this is the these are two options, dealer appointment and other home delivery. Home delivery is not available as of now, so you'll have to select the dealer first. So this will give you a list of dealers available nearby your area or in your area in some case. So you just have to enter the pin code of your city. So once you enter, you'll get all the information. For example, I want to search the dealer in Noida. So I'll enter 201301 or 201. Oh yes, I forgot to mention. Please subscribe and continue with the video, because if you subscribe, I'll be more motivated to create more such information videos. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now we moved to the dealer section, and this dealer section will also tell you about the price, 690.30, depending upon the vehicle registration date and the type of car that you have, or motorbike in other case. So once you confirm the dealer, then is the payment section. So as I mentioned already, 690.30, it varies. It can be 400 rupees, it can be 1300 rupees, depending upon the vehicle you have and the age of the vehicle. So the maximum it goes, I think, up to 1300. And this 690 itself, it will have taxes, the GST, I think it is 18%. Now we have moved to the book appointment section. So you just have to select a date. Actually, it will be automatically selected depending upon the available schedules. What you can do is you can select the time. For example, you want to go to the store at 2 p.m. You can select from that. Again, like after completing this form, you have to like after 2 or 3 days, you have to call the concerned person from the store itself to make sure your registration has arrived, because in many cases the registrations have not arrived, and people go on the appointment, they don't get it. So this is the total amount that I'll be paying: 545, then convenience fee is 40 rupees, and then 585, and GST is 9%. Sorry, I mentioned 18 there. Then SGST. The total amount I have to pay is 690.30. Then you will be moved to the payment section. As I mentioned, I've hidden the details. Then you complete the process, and the payment receipt will be available. So just select the bank and whatever information that you have out of this online payment gateway system. So at the end, what you'll get is a receipt which will have the contact number of the person that you'll be meeting in the showroom or the registration center. However, all the registration plates they directly come from the government department, the vehicle registration department, and they send it to the showroom, and then these guys fit on your vehicle when you go there and visit as per the appointment. So this is how the entire process works. So once you complete the process, like OTP and other things, you'll get for verification. It is a general part of any online transaction that happens online these days. So just wait for a minute and it will process. So the entire thing is very simple. It is not tough at all, but you just have to wait for few days. For example, you're registering today, you'll get like the number plate after 15 days or so. So make sure that you register early, so there are no challans. Obviously, I think the challan is for 2,000 rupees these days, which is a huge amount considering 700 rupees. So by paying 700 rupees, you can save 2,000 rupees once and for all. And one more thing, like it is maybe psychological these days. Police, they see your car from a distance that this car doesn't have a HSRP registration, so they have one challan fixed, and then later on, you might not be wearing a mask or something since the corona is there. So that's the reason. So we just completed the process, and as soon as we complete the process, this is the appointment section we get. I've hidden the personal details, and then you can print it from here, and once you print, you will get the certificate. Not the certificate, just the photocopy or printout of that, and you have to visit the showroom with photocopy or printout of this particular page, and your registration certificate of the car or bike, whatever you have. So that's it from my end. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and do subscribe. Thank you.